Welcome students. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about volume of hollow sphere and volume of hollow hemisphere. Volume of hollow sphere. As usual, let R be the inner radius and capital R be the outer radius of the hollow sphere. See here, inner radius small r, outer radius capital R. This portion is called the thickness of the sphere. W equal to difference between outer radius and inner radius. Here the volume of the hollow sphere is the difference between the volume of the outer sphere and volume of the inner sphere. As we know, volume of a sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. For outer sphere we have to substitute capital R, for inner sphere small r. Take the common terms outside. So volume of a hollow sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. Volume of hollow hemisphere. R be the inner radius, capital R be the outer radius. Volume of hollow sphere is the difference between the volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. For outer hemisphere substitute capital R, inner hemisphere substitute small r. Take the common terms outside. So volume of a hollow hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. Easily we can remember this formulas. Volume of a hollow sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Volume of a hollow hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. Example 7.22. Calculate the weight of a hollow brass sphere if the inner diameter is 14 centimeter and thickness is 1 millimeter. Here note down, diameter is in centimeter, thickness is in millimeter. So we have to convert this millimeter into centimeter, and whose density is 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. Listen, first write what is given. Inner diameter is given 14 centimeter. From this we have to find the inner radius. Thickness is given 1 millimeter. Convert this millimeter into centimeter. We have to divide this 1 by 10. 1 by 10 centimeter. We write in decimal form 0.1 centimeter. Here thickness is nothing but the difference between outer radius and inner radius. Density equal to 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. This is given. From inner diameter we have to find inner radius, half of the diameter, half of 14, 7 centimeter. Outer radius, we have to add this inner radius to thickness 7.1 centimeter. We have to find the weight of a hollow brass sphere. First to find the volume of a brass sphere. Volume of hollow sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Substitute the values. Here we have to find the cube of 7.1 and cube of 7. Subtract 357.91 minus 343. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14.91. Cancel this 7 and 14.91. We get 2.13. Again divided by 3. We get 0.71. Multiply the numbers in numerator. We get 62.48 centimeter. It is the volume of a hollow brass sphere. But we have to find the weight. Weight of brass in 1 centimeter cube equal to 17.3 gram. So total weight equal to 17.3 into 62.48, 1080.9 gram. Total weight equal to 1080.9 grams. 9th sum. The outer and the inner surface areas of a spherical copper shell are 576 pi centimeters cube and 324 pi centimeters cube respectively. Find the volume of the material required to make the shell. Listen, what is given? Outer surface area and inner surface area of a sphere is given. Surface area equal to 4 pi r square. For outer surface we have to put capital R. Outer surface area equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square equal to 576 pi. Cancel the common terms. Divide 576 by 4. We get r square equal to 144. Take the square root. R equal to 12 centimeter. Then inner surface area equal to 324 pi centimeter square. For surface area 4 pi r square equal to 324 pi. Cancel the common terms and divide 324 by 4. We get 81. Take the square root. R equal to 9 centimeter. From the given surface areas we find capital R and small r. we have to find the volume of the material. So volume equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Substitute the values. Find the cube of 12 and 9. 12 cube equal to 1728. 9 cube is 729. Subtract the numbers, we get 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 999. Cancel this 3 and 999, we get 333. Here the numbers in numerator is not divisible by 3. So multiply the numerators, we get 29,304 and divided by 7. 4,186.285. Round off to nearest two decimal places, we get 4,186.29. Volume of the required material equal to 4,186.29 centimeter cube. Both are very important sums. Read the question 1 or 2 times, then only you can understand the concept. Then it is very easy to find the solution. For other subjects, we have to memorize everything. But in mathematics, try to understand the concept first. Then only you can score more marks. Thank you.